Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to rearrange products in Wix stores. Product order isn't random. It directly affects what people see first and what they buy. If your best products are buried at the bottom, you're losing sales without even realizing it. Rearranging products is one of the simplest ways to improve conversions if you do it intentionally. Start by logging into your Wix account and going to your dashboard. From there, click on Catalog. What this section is. This is your store management center. Here you manage products, categories, inventory. Under Catalog, click on Store Products. Then click on Products. Why this step matters? You're reviewing what you actually have before rearranging. Take a moment to see all your products, confirm what needs to be prioritized. Now go back to the Catalog section and click on Categories. What categories control? This is where product display order is actually managed. Products don't just exist, they are shown through categories. Click on Edit under All Products. Important insight. The All Products category controls the default display order. If you don't rearrange here, your store may still look disorganized. Once inside, scroll down to the Product section. Here, you'll see a list of all your items. Now you can drag and drop products into the order you want. What this means: top equals more visibility. Products at the top get seen first, are more likely to be clicked. Rearrange them based on strategy. Best sellers first, high-margin products, new arrivals. Once you're done, click Save. What just happened? Your product order has been updated. Now when users visit your store, they'll see products in your chosen order. What you just did, big picture. You accessed your store structure, edited product display order, prioritized visibility. You controlled what customers see first. Important clarifications. This affects category display, not inventory. Products are still the same, only their order changes. Also, different categories can have different orders. You may need to rearrange products in multiple categories. To summarize, rearranging products in Wix stores involves logging into your dashboard, navigating to the catalog section, and reviewing your store products. After checking your product list, you access the category section and edit the All Products category, which controls the default display order. Within this section, you can drag and drop products to rearrange their positions and then save your changes. While the process is simple, its impact is significant, as product placement directly affects visibility and customer behavior. By organizing products strategically, you can highlight key items and improve the overall shopping experience on your site. And that's how to rearrange products in Wix stores. Simple steps, but high impact if you use them right. Don't just move products around. Be strategic. What's at the top gets attention. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.